What should the group pray for in that state after the lesson?
Only connection. There's nothing but that. All of our good future depends only connection between the friends. It's the foundation for everything. The rest, what does Rabash tell us? He writes 20 articles about society. Afterwards, he starts explaining all kinds of states. These states, you can be in those states, but already in the connection. Or he starts interpreting what's in the Torah, why is it like that, what does it have to do with us? It's all explanations. The main thing for us is to just implement those first 20 articles about society. Everything is in there. That's our foundation. That's what we need. That's why in the connection between you, if after every lesson you, but don't make it, how do I say it? Not like a formal thing, but you truly think every day how to attain a new point of connection, deeper, stronger. That is a great achievement. I really hope that you are coming out of your dormant and coming to a new state.